All right, we're going to do a quick unboxing of this Tonton 4-channel IPS touchscreen LCD/NVR outdoor wireless PIR IP66 rated camera system. Just to give you an idea of what's exactly in the box and what it looks like, in case you're curious. Start by undoing the main box here. Looks like we've got some literature. We've got a couple stickers. These can be handy. Having a warning alone can dissuade some criminal activity, and as far as I'm aware, in some places you actually are required to post a notice if you are going to be recording. I think we've got a quick start guide. Just runs through the steps here. Looks like they've broken it down 1 through 8. These systems are typically pretty easy to set up though. So let's just flip this upside down. All right, so in the main box, we've got 3 separate boxes. I'm assuming this is going to be the screen, and these 2 are going to be the cameras. So let's put the cameras to this side for one moment, and we will start with the larger box. I don't know about you, but I'm just always so careful about not damaging the boxes. I guess it doesn't really matter. So inside here we've got a protector piece of foam. Yep, here's the screen. Here is an included, looks like 32 gigabyte card. Do not recognize that brand. Here is our AC to DC adapter. This looks like a 5 volt, 2.5 amp barrel style plug. And we've got some mounting hardware and 2 18650 rechargeable lithium batteries. All right, now the first of the smaller boxes. Looks like we've got a AC to DC adapter. This one is coming in at 12 volts, 1 amp. A little foam piece here. I'm assuming that goes into the base to aid in keeping, dust, water, other things out. And we've got the actual camera. Feels pretty sturdy. All metal except for this twisting bit here that is used to get the camera positioned exactly how you want it angled. We've got some information on the top along with a QR code. Those are typically to aid in setup. Here is the SMA connector for the antenna. And we've got some speaker holes here on the bottom right here. That's most likely going to be for the two-way audio. There is a rubber gasket going around the entire area here. That's going to aid in water tightness, weatherproofing it. This is going to be your PIR sensor. That is a sensor that, along with motion, also looks for a heat signature. It aids greatly in reducing false positives. We've got on the top here These are going to be your IR emitters. That's going to be your light sensor, so it knows when to turn those on. That's the image sensor. And it breaks down into, the cord in the back breaks down into what looks like a power over Ethernet connector to plug the Ethernet cable into. That's just a little rubber protective cap. This is going to be your reset switch. And this is going to be the plug for the AC adapter. Now, if you're wondering why you've got both of these, it's because they're giving you the option as to how you are going to power this thing, whether it be via PoE or through a standard AC to DC adapter. We've got what looks like a, not sure the exact name for it, but it's basically a weather or watertight gasket that's going to go around an Ethernet cord if that's how you were choosing to power it. And we've also got a similar pack of mounting hardware, and here is the detached antenna. I do like this design when it comes, or not necessarily when it comes unattached, but when it's detachable, because that lets you use larger, higher capacity antennas if you need to squeeze a little more range out of it. All right. And then just to double check, the second small box here, I'm assuming it'll be identical, and it is. AC to DC, adapter, foam piece, camera, and the detached antenna, along with the weatherproof gasket, mounting hardware. Let's put that off to the side. As far as the screen goes, let's take a look at this guy. All right. Oh, great. We even get a screen protector to peel off. I think that just made my whole day. We're going to take our time with this one. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. I think I'd give that maybe a 5 or 6 out of 10 on screen protector peelage. All right, so on the screen we've got a little hole for the microphone. I'm assuming that's for speaking into for the two-way audio, a power battery indicator, and that looks like a storage access read-write indicator. So you know if it's writing to that SD card, which is going to go right here. See if we can pull focus on this, get the angle right. Here we go. Oh, we're struggling. We're struggling. Let's get it. There we go. So that's going to be a USB interface. That's going to be the slot for the micro SD card. That's an on-off switch, and that is the hole for the AC adapter. So that is everything that is included with this Tonton 4-channel IPS touchscreen, LCD, NVR, outdoor, wireless PIR, IP66 rated camera system. In case you're curious, the rest of the box, just a little diagram here, how it works, some usage scenarios. Here are some QR codes for the applicable Android and iOS app. Some of the features listed here. Just some product shots of the camera and the screen. That's with the micro SD card going in. And here is the specific product. Right there. Nothing on the bottom. All right, well, there you go.